Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video, and today I have a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrap canvas, and I'm going to be playing with some different colors. So I'm going to be using a black base. So I have my black base mixed up right here. And the colors I'm going to use some silver. So I have Artist Loft Silver. I have some Arteza Playful Pink. I may add in this light blue violet. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Because I kind of want this soft. I have a custom color that I mixed up here. And this was Artist Loft Gray. And I added Color Shift Silver to it. And this is by Folk Art. So I did that one. I have another custom color here. And I think I need to add a little bit more water to that one. I have Portrait Pink by Liquitex Basics. And I added in some Color Art Sweet Pea pigment. And I also added in a squirt of alizarin crimson. So I wanted a little darker, but I didn't want it too dark. But I like the color, so I made that one. This one, whoops. Ew. This is called Metallic Paint by Modern Masters. I got this at Michael's. So I have that. All of my paints are mixed with floetrol and water. This is just gray, and I added a little bit of, no, this is just the gray. So plain gray, Artist Loft. And then I have Folk Art Color Shift White. And this is, yes, just white. Brilliant. White Flash. Just got this one. I'm going to try it. I've never tried it before. So anyway, it's pretty. It's kind of like the pearl. Yeah. All right. So we are going to get started here. I'm going to put my base down. I haven't really decided how exactly I'm doing it yet. It is going to be a swipe, but I'm going to do, I might put down, no, I'm going to do all black, and then I'm going to swipe it, I think. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. All right. See you right back. All right. Back. And got my black down. Going to pop my air bubbles. All right. I think I see something in there. So let me get a stick. What is that? Oh, come on. There. All right. All right, so we got that down. So now I'm going to start putting down my colors. And how do I want to do it? Still didn't decide. I think I'm going to do 2 swipes. One there. Maybe one this way. Okay, so that was the white flash. Oh, God. Jeez. All right. And put down some gray. I can't tell you how pretty this is. I don't think you can see it on camera. I really don't know if you can. There is so much shine. There's just the hint of the playful pink, which gives off a little bit of, and probably the color shift silver too, that gives off a little bit of the lavender. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I can't even tell you, I love this. I love the I love the composition of it, the way it's coming out like this. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless right now. The cells going on in here. All right, I mean, oh, I hope this dries just as nice as it looks right now. All right, so, oh, it's going down the side there. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm so happy I chose these colors. I love the black base. I really kind of debated on the black base for this one because I wanted it more lighter, but I'm really happy I did because that gave the color shift something to play off of. I'm like speechless. This is beautiful. All right, so you saw I just took the American Floetrol and titanium white and I swiped with it. I don't know if you could tell from the video, but I did deliberate quite a bit on the way I was going to swipe it. And I'm really happy with this. I can't even tell you. All right. So if you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you are not already, please like and subscribe. But I want to thank all my subscribers. I'm almost at 2,000. Actually, when I air this video, it might be past that. So I'll probably do another giveaway soon, just to say thank you. So I'll give it, see what happens with that. But anyway, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, I have another channel. It's a soap art, The Art of Soap by Tina. I make cold processed soaps, and if you're unfamiliar with them, go check it out. I'll put a link here to my channel because it's a lot like pouring, the way you pour the soap batter into the mold, and it's kind of how I got into it. So yeah, go check me out over there. It's just starting out. I have like 5 videos. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.